Aloha, this is Kumuhula Puanani Jung inviting you to join us Saturday, September 19th at the Redondo Beach Performing Arts Center for an enchanted evening of Hawaiian music and hula, featuring the Kuana Torres Kahele Band with very special guest Robert Casimiro. Halau Hula Laniola is excited to be performing with them along with 5 other local hula halau. Showtime is 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Purchase tickets online at eventbrite.com, eventbrite.com, or call us for general admission tickets. This promises to be an event you won't want to miss. Hope to see you all there. Mahalo and aloha.